this video, I'm going to show you how to change your keyboard keys on your laptop. So if you want to make it so that when you press a specific key, it actually does something else, I'm going to show you how to do this in a couple of easy steps. Now first, just go and open up your start menu. You can then search for the Microsoft Store and click on this window here. Now we need to go and install a free application that will allow us to do this. So in the search box, go and type in Power Toys and press enter. You can then click on this free app, Microsoft Power Toys, and then press the blue install button. Now once it's finished downloading, you can press open, and that's going to open up the Power Toy settings. Now from the left hand side, click on input and output and click on the keyboard manager. Make sure enable keyboard manager is turned on, and then select remap a key. Click on add key remapping and then click on this select button here. You then need to press the key on the keyboard that you want to change. So let's say for example I wanted to change the spacebar. I can go and select it like so and press OK. You then need to click on the select button over in the right hand side, and you now need to press the key that you want to change it to. So for example I could go and type in the letter H and then I can press OK, and now what this will do is when I press the space bar, it's actually going to press the letter H instead. Now before this will work, you'll need to save your changes by pressing OK and click on continue anyway. So that's how to remap a key on your Windows computer. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.